Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Offers for analyzing the major and minor currencies as well as US30, gold, silver, Bitcoin, crude, copper. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer, read carefully, and this channel was started for educational purpose only, not for financial investments, and I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to first DXY. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah. So as we discussed the last week also, there is a lot of chances from here it can bounce in the formation of a WX and the ABC. So that could be the end of the third. So now it's already there. So, and one more thing I need to inform here, my throat is infection, so I got a throat infection, so my voice is not that much clear as per the previous stream. But even though I need to upload a video without fail, so that is why I'm doing here. So apologies for that. And it's late also, it's a Sunday evening here. So usually we are doing on the Saturday, and I will upload within that Saturday afternoon, but today is a Sunday evening. So I didn't done that Indian market also Nifty, about Nifty, so I will do from tomorrow. So who are following the Indian Nifty, so we can expect that market from tomorrow, I think so, but it's not guaranteed also. Sorry. So this could be the ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, so ABC as a WX. So I need a ABC for the third to complete here. And we already informed, and I already informed that previous week, there is a lot of chances for make a one more high here. It will break the high, and then again it may come to the downside also in the irregular flat formation. So I'm expecting here, because this intermediate waves are not looking like an impulsive, it's looking like a zigzag. So I expecting from here this could be the three-way structure. I'm expecting, see, it's not a guaranteed also, I'm telling. If it is not broken, means this regular flat can be, or it could be a triangle, anything can happen. That is why we discussed last week. And if it is broke the high, there is a chances for making this kind of price action here, little bit fast, not this much overlapping. It took more time here, so this could be the little bit fast, and then one more ABC to complete the third way. So in any condition we can make it only for that bullish, we can expect only the bullish scenario here. And if you place the stop loss, it can hit you a stop loss also to make an expanded flat also. So we have to wait for this price action here. So what is the trend is bullish. Once the three-way structure is completed, that is an opportunity to buy. That's it. And I already informed that in Euro USD also, if it did the completion of the three-way structure, that is an opportunity to sell the pair. Right, exactly, it did the same. Then here also it is doing the same, but I'm not so satisfied here with that. So far it is looking like overlapping, so I'm not so sure about here. It can make an irregular flat, or it can be a 1 2, so 3 and 4. 1 second. Yeah, it can be a 4 and one more 5. So if it did like this, so this will be the 5-way structure, right? So then this is the W, X, A, and later onwards B. So again it may retest this zone of 96.8. Later onwards it can bounce for that to complete that C wave of the third wave, the bigger third wave. So you can make it this, the previous what we did here, I took it this as a ABC as a 1. So you can make it this as a 1 2. So this is called the intermediate waves, but this 1 2 3 and the fourth is very deeper. So if you can make it this as a 1 2 3 4 5 also fine, and later on it's 1 2 3 afterwards this fourth and one more fifth, so that will be a end of the ABC, or it could be 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So any count is valid here. If we make it this as a ABC as a third here to complete, or if it may make it as a 1 2 3 4 5, so if the 5-way structure is got completed means fine, but if it is a failed to make a 5-way structure means again there will be a chances for making an irregular flat. So let's move on to the Euro USD. Same as per that DXY, we can expect an irregular flat formation here. Sorry. So from here I'm expecting a 3-way. Later onwards this will become A, B, C or W, X, Y. So whatever you can make it, and finally I'm expecting one more bigger to break the previous low. That's it. My target is to break this one. Whether it is going to break this or that, we can look out this in the shorter time frame. So now this week I'm expecting a dollar will be the correction part in the pullback. Its correction means it's not that much bigger correction. It will be some bounce may happen in Euro USD, all the dollar pairs, and dollar may little bit lose his strength. So now let's move on to the GBP USD. That is a clear chart. That is a perfect clear chart what I expected, right? So from here also I expected this zone, but it is already declined from the 3-way structure here. So now it's a, see, I didn't done anything. 1 2 3 4 5 perfectly it is doing the same thing what we discussed. So let's finish complete this part, and once the 5-way structure is got completed and one more 3-way structure is got completed, again one 5-way structures to break this low, and after that that will be a become a, this is the W, X, A, B or C, or what we will expect this zone. What it will do is 1 2 3 later on 5-way structure, and again there will be a bounce for aggressive bounce, and after that one more A, B and C. So this part is a crucial one. So later on why I am expecting this means, so whether this could be the connecting wave also. So then this is a W, so this is a WXY, so then this is a bigger X and ABC to break that previous low of 1.14, this one. So one impulsive or one 3-way structure is got completed, we are in that another 3-way structure. So whether this is going to happen or it will after the 3-way structures again there will be a 3-way 5-way structures, and this is could be that WX means 1 2 3 4 5 as A, and later on B and C. So it will continue like this also. Not every time we are expecting something it's crucial, or it can be a overlap, or it could be a deeper corrections, the complex corrections or connecting wave. It will be very simple also. So what I'm expecting here is X is could be a irregular flat. It can be like this kind also. This is the WX. So after the 5-way structure A, B, 1 2 3 4 5 as a C, or this could be 1 2 3, after that 4 here, and this is the 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be A, later onwards B and C. You need to just build that 5-way structures or the 3-way structures, that then only we have to correlate them for that connecting wave or complex corrections, how it is forming. So I am expecting the dollar little bit lose the strength, and that will be a pullback opportunity to short the pair. And if you want to make this as a stop loss for this GBP USD, so that is the invalidation zone. And the next thing is a little bit we can move for that chart. Yeah, Australian dollar. So here what I expected, right? I'm already placed the order here, but what it did market, that is the market. But expecting this, I'm not in buy side. Several times I have informed here. So there is a chances, look at this, there is a chances from here also to make here and then one more down. But what it did, it's a ABC, but three-way structure is already got completed. So this could be the B also, this could be the B also, and what I am expected, so if it did like this could be the B also, but it is not to break this low, but it is already did. So what we can expect, it's again it can make like this kind of three-way structure, and it is keep going on only to the downside. My target is that, for if you are following me a year or 2 years, this is my target to break this 5506. But how long it will took, that is the question mark here. But once it breaks this 6-7, it will definitely reach here. There is no support here. That could be the intermediate wave for 1 hour or 4 hours. There will be a keep on supporting, but in the daily, there is no way, and it will reach here. So if you look at this is the head, right? So this is the shoulder, it's already dead, and again this is the one, so it's already dead, and here it is already this, so here it's already dead, and now this is the one drop, here it is doing the drop, or we can expect this is a triangle, here also it can be a little bit consolidation. So once it breaks this, it will definitely reach this zone. Simple, it looks like simple, but see, we are expecting this market again, it will do like this also in a different pattern. We don't know about how it is doing. So then what we will do, we will just retracement this, so it is still within the 1618, and this will become the bigger irregular flat for the B formation. This could be the W, so this could be the X, this could be the Y. If it is breaks this high, that will be an expanded. If it is not, and it is a fail to break this low, this high, so then that will become a connecting wave. So this is a B, C, so or W, X, Y. So this is the bigger A in impulsive wave, and this is the connecting wave, and this is the impulsive wave. That's it. But before that, what kind of we can expect a bounce? But what kind of bounce you have to watch in that 4-hour chart, like that what I have explained previous, it can do like that. So New Zealand USD, see, again it is did a three-way structure. So whether it is going to make a one more 3, and again it can do like this also, that is also possible. So if it is this is the bigger one, and this is a correction, this is a little bit smaller one than this, and this is the correction, and this is the smaller than this, means this could be a ending diagonal also, a wedge formation. It's not a diagonal, it could be the wedge formation also. Wave 1 is bigger than that wave 3, and wave 5 is smaller than the wave 3. So each wave is lesser than that, and it is in the impulsive wave. So after later onwards, what it will do, what are the things we have to do here? It's A, so this is the W, this is the X, so this is the A, so this could be become again one more three-way structure as a B and C. That's it, simple. It has to break this one. But this all, see what I'm explaining here, it's only that how the flat formation in the three-way structure, bigger structure, it can form. It's just a prediction. But before this, what I'm expecting, again what it will do, it can do what we are expecting, the wedge formation, again it can do like this also. So there will be a next bigger correction also in impact. So this will become WX, so this is the Y, so that is the end of the bigger three-way structure. So this will become the connecting wave, and again one more bigger correction can happen. We are expecting this will do, and if you are expecting this one, this will do. So there is a lot of possibilities we have to think. So we have to play according to that. So expecting this, definitely I'm not in buy side. Just allow this to complete the structure, and again the three-way structure. It's a damn sure for to short the pair here. But if it is not sure, this is the three-way structure, expecting this, it did like this, you may lose your money. And then again what you will do, you are going for buy, and again it will do like this, and that will become the extended also, or it could be the intermediate wave of 3 in play also. So what it will do, this is the W, this is the X, this could be the A, this is the B, C means 1, and these are all the intermediate waves. So later onwards I will do 1 2, and this is a smaller 1 2, so 3 4 5, and this is the bigger one, bigger 2, bigger 3, bigger 4, bigger 5. It won't do like this also. So anytime you have to, the trend is confirmed in the sell trend. If you are a positional swing trader looking only for that sell only, I will advise only that one. I won't allow to buy here. That is why how I'm trading here as of now. So sorry, let's move on to USD CAD. See, and I have informed that also. It may be a simple zigzag correction. It's a continuing wave, WXY. It's a double zigzag, or it could be a triple zigzag also, right? It's a double zigzag pattern. It's already completed. So whether it is did like this, that will be the triple zigzag. But what happened here? Look at this, and I have informed that whether this is the end of the trend. See now how it forms. Previous it looks like a correction part, and if it is broken this, and now it is looking like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now we can expect 1 2 3. So if it is going to hit here, or it is going to make a one more like this, can't say whether it is a simple correction or whether it is going to be a deeper correction, can't say. But what we have to do, the trend is in upper trend. You have to listen here that the trend is in upper trend. So you have to be in buy side. Once the three-way structure is got completed, you have to be in buy side. But expecting this, if you are taken the sell, you may lose your money, and you have to searching for this buy trend again. So you have to wait for this. Just simply if you are bought here, and again there is an opportunity like this, and again you can add the positions, or once the 5-way structure is got completed, you can exit. But I won't do like that. I will keep adding the positions. And if you are looking for bounce, and again what it will do, there is a lot of possibilities. Again if you add here, making this as a stop loss, it can do like this. And if you are not exiting here, expecting, again there will be a sorry, 1 second. Yeah, and this is the 1, this is the 2, and if this is the expecting for the third bigger thing, what it will do here, again it may drop, and then again it may bounce. So ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and one drop C. And it is, if it is not yet broken the high, sorry, low, that is still valid for the second wave here. It is not yet broken means, so then the second wave will be a complex correction. So until if it breaks the high, we can't add lot of positions here. There is a lot of chances to break this low. So I already informed, right? This drop, if it is already broken this high, then I am expecting the drop, but that is not a reversal for this one A, B and C. My mind is not accepting this. This is not a three-way structure. Still we are in the bullish only. So once the correction is got completed, I am expecting only the bullish scenario, bullish price action. So next you can USD JPY. See what I expected from here, it's a bounce, right? What it did, it's broken the low and immediately it took off. So whether, see here is a little confusion for that all the Elliott wave traders including me. It's already broken the low here. So what kind of price, whether this is the wave 1, this is the 2, 3, 4 and 5, but it could be like that, or what happened means this will become an irregular flat formation and one more low to break this low, and it can shoot from here also. So this is also possible. Otherwise, this it looks like an, I already informed that this is the A, this could be the B and C, right? It is no need to break this low, but the intermediate wave is not, it's a little bit confusion here. 1 2 3 4 5. One second, I will explain here. See, this is the 1 2 3 4 5. So this one, this is the 2, and for this is a 1 2 3 4 and 5 here. So for this one, this is the 2 here, 3 4 and 5. So it's a little bit confusions here how to make this 1 2 3. Otherwise, what we have to do, whether this could be the bigger one and this could be the 2 3 4 5 means here that way what we are, if it is a leading diagonal also 786, right? It's a smaller one, it is not a bigger one. But here what that market did, the wave, it's bigger than the third. So this is not for me, it is not looking like an impulsive wave. We can make it this as a 1 2 3 4 5, and later onwards this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. So this could be the fifth also, in that fifth wave got extended, we can kept like that also. Otherwise, this is the A, this is the B, C. So anyway, if we are completing this structure in the A, B, C, no need to break this low. That is why it's a little bit confusion for me. So we can expect one more low is also possible, but it's not guaranteed for me. But even though what I explained is whether this is the 5-way structure is got completed here means, see, this is not, I'm looking for this way. This way is not looking like a correction part. This is not looking like a correction part, sir. But if we make it this as a correction part, so this and again one more 3-way structure means, this is all the 5-way structure means whether 3 or 5, right? So this is the end of that trend here. Again we can expect only the bullish, but the trend what I'm expecting, right, you know very well, only the upper side to break that 118.6. That's it. And I already informed here A, B or C, or this could be the fourth or second wave. If it is a triangle, that could be, that is not be a second wave. So we can expect this, but let's wait for this price action to complete here. So USD CHF, what I bought, right, exactly here the last week, still I am holding. So what is my target? It has to break this high. That's it, simple. How I predicted that, you know very well. Yeah, this is a W, this is the X. So what I'm expecting here, it's one more up, later onwards one more 3-way structure, whether it can be a 50% or 38.2 retracement, and one more pull to the high. So it may break again this high also. But once, see here, it's a A, B, C. I took it this as a W and this is the X. I'm looking for the A, B, C. What the market will do, right? Once this, because why I'm looking the target and I'm very hurried to book the profit once it break the high means, it may happen like this, A, B, C. So this is the A, B here, A, B, C, right? This could be the intermediate W also. You have to think like that. One second. If this is what we completed, this X is already completed here, this could be still ahead, it is not yet completed. So this could be the again one more intermediate wave, right? So one second, yeah, ABC, sorry, here it's a, yeah, W or A, we can make it this. Later onwards from here, if it did, this is the 5-way structure, and ABC, it can be a deeper correction, and one more C to break the high. So this is a WX, and later on one more 3-way structures to the downside is also possible. But from now also, because why I'm looking here to book the profit, this could be here what we did as a W, this could be the ABC is a A, so ABC is a B, whether it is going to break the high or it can come to the downside like this also. ABC as a A, ABC as a B, and C also. So then later onwards the X is still ahead also. So this may be a, that is why once the 3-way structure is formed, if it is not yet broken the high, that is also chances for making to break the one more low to break this. So I am expecting tomorrow like this, but didn't know whether from here so it can do like this. So then this become A, B, C is a A, B, C as a B, and C. Later onwards this X can be here. So this is the bigger connecting wave, and one more ABC. It will play like this only. And here it is not looking like the structure is in the internal structure is not yet completed so far. So far it is looking like 1, 2, 3, right? Or this could be 1, 2, 3. We are in the 4th, 5th. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is why I am expecting at least to reach this zone. Again one more high to break this, and I need to book the profit and need to exit. So whether if it is breaks the high, there is a high probability chances for making one more high after the 3-way structure. But if it is not broke this high, there is a lot of chances to break this low. So next we will move on to Australian. Here that same plan, whether that 5th way is completed or it is yet to make, right? The same plan. So why? And we are, what I expected is it could be a triangle. It could be a triangle, and then one more A, B, and C to complete that Z wave or the 5th wave. Yes. So what we expecting like such a kind of price action, what the market will do from here, it will be a aggressive bounce. And what we think is it is already broken the triangle. So we, if you entered here, market will do again one more 3-way structure. Later onwards only, this is the A, B, C. So this is the D after the E, and it will shoot up. So until it breaks this high, we can't expect the market it is going to be in bullseye. Still something can happen. Lot of possibilities is there. If I explain all the possibilities, you will hate the Elliott waves. So we can predict the market, but where we have to enter and where we have to exit, that is the main thing. And if you entered here, you have to place the stop loss here. That is damn sure. That only the pattern get invalid in the triangle formation. So once it come like this and hit your stop loss, and if it is again bounce, the possibilities is there. So A, B, and C, later on D, E, and it will shoot like this. So what we are thinking like this, something market will do like this, and again it can go like this. So then this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, and market will go like this. See, there is a lot of chances. You have to understand that pattern. That's it. So where we have to enter, we're making money, and what are the structure it is forming, where we are. We are in that 4th wave, or it could be an X wave for the connecting wave. So what are the possibilities in the X wave and that 4th wave? you have to think, and you have to think the possibilities, a lot of possibilities. That's it. So whether we have to find out this is an impulsive wave. So here it is a 1, 2, 3. This is the one irregular flat formation, expanded flat. So this is a three-way structure. So this is the looking like what I explained, right? Wedge formation is broken. Look at this one. It's a W, X, Y. Whether this is the X and Z is already completed, or the X is still there. If you enter and again if you place the stop loss, again it will do like this. So what is the formation? This is the Y, this is the X, this is the Z. So this X connecting wave could be a irregular flat formation, and it is in that kind of a downward trend line, and once it breaks this trend line, then you can make this as a stop loss and looking for the target about this one, whether this is going to make a triangle or whatever it is. The same formation in CAD JPY, same formation, nothing changed. See, I explained that. One more down and again up, so it is already bounced. But what kind of formation is? Again it can do like this, maybe, and this bigger, this will be a connecting wave. This is the WX ABCY, and it will break, it will took all the stop loss here, and then again it can bounce. See, there are lot of chances, but I'm not concentrating this AJ and CJ and EN. Now I'm concentrating only in New Zealand CAD, gold, silver, and gold is a very beautiful trade. And crude also I'm not following now because it's already reached my target of $91. It's already reached 88, right? So no need to watch that for the $3, $2. What we bought at 66.8 and I already exit at 81.8. I already did. That's it. $6 is a stop loss, $7 is a stop loss, and $15 is the target. Hence 1:2 risk reward, and I already exited that. No need to again look for that to catch the all that waves. So just concentrated, and I'm just looking only for the gold, New Zealand CAD, and silver. Not all the pairs, and Euro USD is all everything what we discussed. You just concentrated only in the gold. I see, it's my personal view. There is a lot of chances, and I already shared that view also. I shorted at 1850 or 1.24, and I already booked at 1781, the average of 1800 for all the pair, and still I'm holding little bit. So if it is again bounce for that 1800 to 1815 or 1820, okay, looks then I will again short what I booked the profit, and I am looking for that 1720 mark. That's it, simple. It's everything looks simple. Only if you apply that, then that will become a roadblocks. You will see a lot of roadblocks. Okay, let's move on to Euro New Zealand. That I'm sure about that. Only if it breaks and close above that pattern also. I'm looking here something in the wedge formation. I'm looking only for like this kind of patterns only. See, this is a 1, 2, so 3. So there will be a overlapping 4 and one more 5. If it is broke the high also, I'm not sure about that. I'm looking only to the downside, but I don't know why I'm looking for the downside. My mind says only like that, but I'm not so bullish in here. I'm looking only to break that 1.15, sorry, 1.5. I'm looking one more three-way structure, but if it failed to, and if it is keeps going, means that can be a happen also, but my mind it's bias on this pattern. I don't know why. So I'm not concentrated in Euro New Zealand. So let's move on to New Zealand CAD here, and I have explained that also, right? It's all a little bit confusing patterns here. It's looking like all the, that is why I'm not so concentrating in that minor currencies. And from the previous itself, the pattern clearing one, It's a very clear pattern we can found only in that lot of times without any temptation in that major currency pairs. And have I explained several times, right? This is looking like one, this is the 5-way structure, and here it is not looking like a 3-way structure. So here also it's looking like a wedge formation. I'm expecting for the bounce. So the pattern remains same for me, but we have to wait for this. So if we took it this as a this is a B, and C means this is the perfect 5-way structures. But how we have to make this as a 3-way structure? So if we took it this as a this is as a B, and this is the C, means one more wave like this can happen here, and afterwards one more low is also possible, and it can reach this zone. So wait for I'm waiting for this. So if you look it into the Fibonacci retracements, that will be around 1618. It's already there. We are already there. So even though if it did like this, I'm expecting this. So let's wait for this, because I'm not sure about this, but I'm expecting only this one. Only this way I need it. Yeah. Then we can go for US30. Yeah, just have a look. 1 second. You can look for that watch list. Yeah, in CAD Euro New Zealand finished, and we can move for US30. Same plan, no change here. So it is still, it is not breaking this 34,800, right? It's all looking like three-way structures. So what we can do, right? This could be a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and it can be, again, it can shoot like this, or this could be the three-way structure. We can make it this as a leading diagonal. So A, B, C, D, and later on one more three-way structures, and then one more shoot. So we have to wait for this pattern to complete, right? So I'm looking only for the bullish. But it is already there, and what I have explained the detail in my the Nifty, while the Nifty is coming to the downside, and I already said that it is going to bounce. Look at this for the 1, 2. So we are the trade, and we are exactly in that 38.2 zone, and it is keep bouncing. So whether this channel is valid or not, but it is, see, here, it's everything, it is keep bouncing, right? So that is why I just draw and clone the this structure channel here also, and it is accepting that. So let's wait to finish everything. We need a clear picture. It's looking like, look at this, it's looking like a correction part, right? It's already broken this, but it is not close below this, and this is all the previous fourth waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? These are the fourth waves, previous fourth wave, and this here also the previous fourth wave, and the bigger fourth wave is also again bounce here. So let's wait to complete this pattern, and it could be the bigger triangle also for this fourth wave. 1, 2. So this is the third. This could be the bigger fourth wave triangle also, or it can be again irregular flat formation also. It can break as high, and one more low is also possible for like this, and again it can bounce. So let's move on to Bitcoin. Here it is. So what else? And I already said this is the A, this is the B, and this is the CW. This is the X. So A, B, and C. Perfect is the double zigzag. It's already played. So now what it is going to, whether again one more correction, maybe. Whether it is going to break, could be. So then this is the ABC ABC is a B, and ABC is a C. So this is the W, or this is the third, this is could be the fourth, and it is already broken this low, then that will become an expanded flat. So after that, this is the fourth, or W or X, anything I'm looking for. Yeah, bigger wave in impulsive. But if it is not broken this low, then there is a chances for making a bigger triangle also, like this, and then again one more short. But until this, if it breaks the high, there is no guarantee for the bullish, because what we are expecting, and again it will be do like this also. So then this is the ABC is a A, ABC is a B, ABC, it could be a C, the deeper corrections also. I'm not saying no. So here what we took it as 1, 2, 3. So we are on the fourth and fifth. So, and I already informed that whether this is the fourth way is already got completed here itself. This fourth, 1, 2, 3, right? And that is also I informed that 1, 2, 3, and here it is the fourth and fifth is already. If it is completed means this could be the third way of this third way here, and it could be a bigger, or see what we kept this as a 1, this is a 2, this could be the A, B, and C is already got completed here. So this could be something else. We can make it anything, we can calculate anything, we can label it anything, W, X, X, Y, Z, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Only after the price action, if it did like this, we can change all the counts. Until there is no guarantee here, it's not 100% sure. It's even though in any strategy, the possibility we can play, that's it. If it is not doing like this, it can make like this. So in the possibility only we can make a trade. And if you have to calculate the risk also, what is your risk and what is your reward. So let's move on to next is we can finish the copper. Say I'm expecting one more. This is an impulsive, and these are all the three-way structures. These are all the three-way structures. All three-way structure, it is still in the play, but I need one more impulsive wave. But how long it will take, right? See, these are all the three-way structure. Inside also that there is a three-way structure, and here also the three-way structure. So it's everything, we are in that correction part. So once this correction is got completed, one impulsive will play. Whether we don't know whether it is going to break this high, or it can go above this little far away to break this also. But the positional stop is here. Mind this, because why I'm expecting this means, once this is the, I will show you, and I will change this color here. This is the impulsive. So these are all that. Once again I will change this color in that blue. So these are all the connecting waves. So this is the WXY. So this W, this is the X, and later onwards it will do like this. In some rare cases it can break the high and then again it may fall for the irregular flat formation. So making that stop loss is a very crucial part here in the copper. If you make the strict stop loss, it will do like this also. So this is my view, but I am expecting one bounce here, whether it is going to break this high or this high. So let's move on to next is we already finished the Bitcoin. Once again we can watch this US30 Bitcoin. Yeah, copper finished, just only crude oil, right? US oil. See, my target is 91, and it has to be bigger than this way. That's it, simple. And it is already dead. So no need to again and again to enter in this trade. once the target and the bigger target and the bigger picture is going to complete, means no need to look for this to risk your capital in my view. See here, again it can do like this also. After that, one more high is also possible. This pattern is very rare and it is very difficult to trade. Then what if it did like this, I will just move my fourth way here. It's very simple. And this could be the A, this could be the A, B, C, B and C. So lot of complex corrections can be happen here and lot of volatility can be happen here. So once it did like this, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so far so good. So later onwards, I don't know whether it is going to, I'm not, because I said right, once I exited my position at 81.8, I'm not concentrated in this and I didn't view my other analysis in different view. So if it is a B, C is a W, this could be the X, that A, B, C, again this will be the 5-way structure and this could be the 3-way structure, again one more C-way structure. It could be. Otherwise this is the W, this is the X, this is the A, B, C. It could be. It's a lot of possibilities, but the damn short trade is this is the one. We didn't know whether it is going to make this one and this one. So just allow that structure to form, and this is your money, your capital. You have to take a risk. But I explained here a lot of possibilities in this day. Sorry. So now we are going to make silver, and finally I will tell you the gold. See this one, it is not yet broken the low, right? So it looks like an impulsive wave, and this is looking like a 3-way structure. And again here it's making a 5-way structure, but didn't know how it is prompt this one. So again there will be again 3-way structure, and later onwards one more 3-way structures to break this low, later onwards one more bounce, or from here this is the irregular flat formation, one more high is also possible and one more. But anyway I'm looking only to the downside, one impulsive and beyond the correction part, and I have explained that in several times, several videos in the weekly analysis. We have to look in the interior wave structure formation and then only we have to trade, but only I am playing only in the downside. So either this could be the triangle also, later onwards it can bounce and one more low, after that one more 3-way structure and one more, and it will break all those things, A, B, C, D, E. See this part is here also, it is looking like an impulsive wave, but again we can calculate this as a double zigzag also. So I am looking only for that sell, but let's wait for this. I already entered in the 24, and but I so concentrated in that gold trade, so I exited early itself. I exited it here itself because I found something it can do like this, and one more high is also possible. But in gold trade I'm so confident, that is why I hold that positions, not in silver, because silver it's very tricky one. So let's move on to the gold, final one. Beautiful trade, right? What else you need here? So I'm expecting only the bounce like this, otherwise it can do again one more low and again one more bounce also. But if it is keep graining and if it is breaks this low and this one impulsive wave happen here, means it can do like this also. Expecting this, I already booked my positions, right? 50% of my positions, 60% of my positions I already exited, still remaining 40%. So 40%, if I need to place a stop loss here, it's not fine, right? So I just keep on watching. I didn't make the stop losses for that remaining 40%. I'm just looking for the correction pattern here. But if it did like this, again I will add another 20% or 25% here, and I need to look for that, because what we earned here, we didn't know whether this could be then again somewhat the bigger correction can happen also. But this is, it's looking like an impulsive, damn sure about this. But this is the market, right? It can do anything. Again it will do deeper correction also, deeper correction. But the invalidation is this is the one invalidation. So what it will be, because it is not yet broken this low, not yet broken this high, so it is something happen. But I am looking for the triangle pattern, so it will reach, if it is 1720, again there is a lot of formation. But see, this is the 5-way structure of A, this is the B, means C contains of 5-way structures. So here also 1 2, so somewhat I am not able to count this wave here. So I don't know whether it is a 1 2 3 4 5 and we are in the bigger third and fourth. So once it bounce happen third way, that could be the opportunity. So whether this is a 1 2, so for example, if it reached here in the 5-way structure is got completed, I can make it this as a red color. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so this is the 1, right? Expecting 2 3. So once again, 3 and 4 and 5, it is not yet broken. This, my triangle is still valid. Again one more bounce, after that one more to the 1375 to 1400, that is sure. But if it broken, this means it's everything, because everybody knows this 1675 is the major support zone, and there will be a place the several orders also here, like Euro USD. So all the orders got triggered in the sell side. What it will happen, right? It can do one more like this. So then this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, W, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So this will become W, this will become X. So this is the A, this is the B, C. It will trigger all the stop loss here. Yeah, this could be A, this could be a B, this could be the C. And if it is continue to again the triangle also valid. A, B, C, D, E. It will, this is the indefinite structure formation. But everything what we are expecting the 1375 to 1400 to reach. That's it. These are all the correction part. I will hide this. These are all the correction part. I am not expecting this has to break this, because one lot of people are expecting this A, B, C, D, and if the E means this is, I don't know who are the posters or how did the calculator, and they are making this as a triangle of the bullish side, because they are saying like this is an daily and the weekly, this is a bullish chart. I accepted that. So everybody is accepting one, right? So one more high is possible there, everybody is looking, but that is why I have placed the stop loss for all the things is here. Now the stop loss is here 1878 for invalidate all the patterns, but I don't know whether another pattern will be flash in my mind also later onwards, but I'm looking only for that downtrend, that's it. And here also look at this, all the spikes, all the spikes, and it is not yet close beyond the spikes, right? So let's wait for this to clear. But if you, I'm playing for the bearish, but a lot of people can looking for the bullish, so they can make the stop loss here, I can make the stop loss here according to their view. So the market has to validate our analysis. So hope you enjoyed my analysis. Sorry for my voice, and outside that street kids are playing in the street mid of my house, so that may be a little bit cautious, so a little bit disturbance for you behind my voice. So we will see you on next week on Saturday, or it could be a Sunday also, according to my busy schedule. Thanks a lot. Have a nice, wonderful weekend to everybody, and it's already almost completed. So for the US peoples, it's a Sunday morning. So enjoy the Sunday evening too, and have a nice week to start in gold. I'm expecting. Thanks a lot. Bye.